It's an electromagnetic processing kit. I'm going to check it out and put it together. Plastic stuff. Here's some spacer things, nuts, and all that. And you got a really big capacitor and a little on and off switch there. Some wires, some resistors, and all that stuff. This one will take 2 AA batteries. There's this thing all wrapped up. This is going to be the main circuit board. Okay, another little circuit board is wrapped up inside there. And then the instructions. A little wire diagram, a list of all the parts. There's the instructions for it. So we need R1, R2, R3, R6, R4, and R5. R4 is right there, R5, 6 is there, R5, R2, R3, R1. So where is R4? Right here. That one's R4. It's like 1K, 5K. I'm not sure what that says. There's 10K. It's like 4 LED lights. We got 2 green, 1 blue, and 1 red. That thing here. Looks like I found the 5th projectile. It has this. That looks like a diode to me. Right here. And it has 3 of these. Alright, those are all the diodes. I mean, resistors. Okay, I'm on the next. I got wires, capacitor, that stuff hooked up to that. My next step is this, which is a separate board. And the way the instructions show it is if you flip it this way, this side with these 2 pieces that just solder together there go on this side away from the outside board, or outside. So it'll face that direction. And of course I gotta just solder all those in. Alright, all that's on there. I gotta attach some wires. I'm guessing to here and here. And I gotta find out which one's red and which one's black. So red goes on the left side there, and black goes on the right side. That is the red wire on the left, black wire on the right. Alright, I'm on the induction coil, which is what this is. Now this says that the L1 is red, L2 is orange, L3 says coppery. Well, mine has yellow on the bottom, what looks like red or orange in the middle, and copper on the top. So the colors don't exactly match. And that could be an orange color. Let's see if I can pick it up in the camera. It looks kind of orange to me in the camera. So I'm gonna put yellow to L1, then L2 and L3. Alright, I had to use a razor blade to get that stuff off. But now all the pieces are see-through. And I just gotta finish doing the rest of the instructions. But that's parts done. Alright, I'm all done. It's all together. I've put some batteries in there. This is what it looks like. So you got your little launch button. You see the LED lights are lighting up. The red one should come on, I think, eventually. The on-off switch works. So this should just be the button to launch things. Okay. Let's see here. Try to make it hit this box. Turn it on. It works. Trying to load it while it's on is kind of a problem. There we go. You do have extra parts left over. You got one of each of the resistors left. You got some nuts, a green LED light, one of these things, I think it called it transistor. Yeah, transistor. Some nuts and some bolts left. It's kind of interesting to hold these pieces together. You know, obviously you put the bottom on, you put the sides on, you put the top on. Then you put a nut down inside this opening here. You put the screw bolt down through there and screw it in. Just tighten it down and make it so it's all one piece. And there's a gap here on the bottom for the batteries to be put in. And it has these little nut caps for the feet. And obviously the way it's wired, it works. And what they did here is they had me wire one negative wire to the one side of this, negative wire to the other side. So that's what launches it. The power switch here is wired to the main board down here at K1, positive and negative. And then one of these wires goes up to this. The positive wire comes down here to the K2 down there, you can see. Then that little piece of thing that was in this is a double-sided tape. You're supposed to put it on the end of this plastic tube and stick it in here. Interesting. Let's try to find out how far these things will launch. Let's see. Should be about a foot there. It hit my hand. I'm gonna move this at least 8 inches back. Let's see if it'll still hit my hand. Nope. So it will launch about a foot. Alright, well, that's it. Kind of fun, nothing hard to solder on this. Just follow the instructions. The instructions are pretty good. There's definitely some weird things, like it's saying that the covering on the acrylic was black. It's more of a tan or a brown at the most. And of course, those colors didn't match up on my either, but that's okay. But it works. Could have a little bit of fun with it. Definitely not very powerful. Of course, that's only at 50% power. I'm not sure what it would take to get it to full power. Maybe these batteries don't have enough voltage in them to get it to full power.